Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ghulam Nabi Wani. Today my topic is force and pressure. Hmm, Chapter number 9 हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. You might know how objects move. Do you know that we can decide whether an object is moving faster than other? What does a distance moved by an object in a unit time called? You can also know that moving objects like a ball rolling on the ground slows down. Sometimes it may change its direction of motion. It is also possible that ball may slow down and also changes its direction due to. Did you ever wonder what makes an object to slow down or go faster or change its direction of motion? Let us call some of our everyday experiences. What do you do to make a football move? What do you do to make a moving ball move faster? How does the how does the how does the goalkeeper stop a ball? How do fielders stop a ball hit by a batsman? A hockey player changes the direction of a moving ball with a flick of its stick. Figure 9.1. In all these sections, the ball is either made of moving faster or slower, or its direction motion changes. ये आप यहाँ पर फिगर देखो आप. अब यहाँ पर आइए. When we often say that force has been applied on a ball when it picks when it kicked, pushed, thrown, flacked. What is a force? What can it do to bodies on which it applies? We shall seek answer to these questions in this chapter. Force, a push or pull. Action like picking, opening, shunting, kicking, hitting, lifting, flocking, pushing, pulling often used are often used to describe certain tasks. Each of these actions usually results in some kind of change in the motion of an object. Can these terms be replaced with one or more two terms? Let us find out activity. uh, Figure point now gives some examples of familiar situations involving motion of an object. You can add more such situations or replace these given here to identify actions of involved in each case. A push as a push and or a pull, and record your observations. One example has been given to help you. One example has been given to help you. The- do you know that these do you notice that each of these actions can be grouped as a pull or a push, और पुल और पुश और बोथ. यानी कि जो भी हमने यहाँ पर देखे हैं सारी सिचुएशंस, इनमें से हमने एक चीज़ खास देखी है, पुल और पुश. जब हम इनको समराइज किया तो पुल और पुश आ गया. कैन वी इंफ्रा अच्छा कैन वी इन्फियर from this, that is moving objects, it does be pushed or pulled. In science, a pull or push of an object is called force. अगर हम साइंस में देखें, pull or push of an object is called force. Thus we can say that the motion imparted to an object was due to the action of force. अगर किसी चीज़ पर मोशन आ गई है, गाड़ी में मोशन आ गई, इंसान में मोशन आ गई, किसी भी चीज़ में मोशन आ गई, it is because of force we have applied. When a force come into play, let us find out. ये फोर्स कब काम करता है? जब हम ये इसको हम तो देखेंगे. फोर्स आर ड्यू टू द due to an interaction. Force क्या आता है due to an interaction. Suppose a man is standing behind a stationary car. Will the car moves due to his presence? Suppose suppose the man now, being to be pushed the car, that is he applied a some that is he applied a force on it. The car may begin to move on the direction of the force applied. On the direction of the force. Note that the man has pushed the car to make it a force. Figure 9.3 shows three situations that may be familiar to you. Can you decide who pulled and who is pushing these causes? Acha, both the girls appear to push each other while the pair of girls in move trying to pull each other. तो हमने देखा यहाँ पर जब ये यानी कि अब यहाँ से हमें सिचुएशन मिल गई कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल द गर्ल्स इन द टू सिचुएशन shown here are applying force of an object either. Is it also true for a man to the from these examples you can infer that at least two objects must interact for the forces to come into play. Thus the interaction of an object with another object results in the force between these two objects. Exploring a force, let us try to learn more about the force. Choose a heavy object like a table or a bucket, which you can move only by pushing here. Try to pull it all by your forces. Can you move it? No. Now ask one of your friends to help you pushing it in same direction as it is. It easier to move it now. Can you explain why? Next, push up some objects. Both asked your friends push to from the copies of this. Does the object move? If the object does not move in the direction it moves, can you guess which one of you applying a force? तो आप आपने देखा कि अगर आपके पास कोई टेबल है, कोई बड़ा सा टेबल है, तो आप इसको मूव नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो आप इसको चला नहीं सकते हैं। फिर आपने अपने दोस्त को लाया तो उसको बोला कि आप मुझे हेल्प करो, क्या ये टेबल आप मूव कर सकते हैं? बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें से आपने यानी कि फोर्स अप्लाई किया है, वो फोर्स अप्लाई किया है जिससे ये मूव हो सकता है। इससे पहले भी आपने फोर्स से अप्लाई किया लेकिन ये चला नहीं है, क्योंकि फोर्स था, यानी कि वो फोर्स था जो इसके बराबर का फोर्स नहीं था। इसका मतलब ये है कि फोर्स द पुश ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड फोर्स। यानी कि ये मैंने कल भी पढ़ाया आपको। तो द पुल और पुश ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड फोर्स। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे।